Hey, welcome to Cody the Car Guy. We've got an '05 Porsche Cayenne here, and we're going to be changing out the headlight. It's pretty simple and easy to do. Now we're going to be doing the whole entire assembly, but I'm also going to show you how to change out your bulbs when you do it. The first thing you want to do is come right in here. You got a little cover right here. All you're going to do is pop that little cover out, sit it outside. We're going to just pull up this little rubber right here. It really just pops out. Sit that aside. All right, once you pop this little cover off right here, you have a little teeny 6mm little teeny bolt way down there, that little silver shiny thing right there. Go ahead and turn it to the right and it will kind of come to a stop. Don't force it past that. That actually unlocks the mechanism for the headlight. So once we get that done real quick, real simple and easy to do. Alright, see that right there? It kind of comes to a stop. You're done. At that point, let's go ahead and get the headlight out. Now for the fun part. Once you have it unlocked, this bad boy is in there pretty tight. You're gonna have to do a lot of wiggling. It's gonna feel like you're about ready to break it, but it's okay. A lot of times I'll take my finger right here and I'll just kind of start pulling it out. You get right about there and then you're kind of stuck. That's because you got a plug back in there. It's actually plugged in. It kind of does it all one thing. So you just kind of be careful and do a little wiggle action. Alright, once you hear that little pop right there, it is out. Now, if you're changing your bulbs, it's pretty simple in the Porsche. All you're going to do is pop this cover right here. That right there gives you access to your bulbs in here. And then down here you have this one for your turn signal. Literally it just pops out right there. And then down here, pop this little cover right here, and that gives you access to the other bulb. So now, if you have to change out your bulbs, you can cover any of your bulbs that you have to change. Just that simple. So we have a new headlight assembly going in because this one melted the turn signal right here. So we're going to go ahead and get the new one in here. And this one is being replaced. Plus it's all hazed out and stuff like that. It really doesn't look good. It was cleared before, but there's a lot of kind of tiny little crack looking stuff that you can see even when it's cleared. So we got a brand new one going in, so just pop it in there real quick. You also want to go ahead and check all of your plugs right here. Make sure all the pins look good, nothing's corroded, everything looks great in there. As soon as that's done, let's go ahead and get the new one in. Now if you look on the bottom, it looks like you have some fins right here. Those are actually little guides, and it literally will go right in here. It has to sit in there. Alright, now once you sit it in there, come down to the bottom, lift up, and just make sure you're right where the grooves have got to be. Alright, once you know you're in the grooves, pretty much same thing, just start wiggling it back. Alright, back into place. With the new headlight assembly, it came with all the new rubbers on there, the gaskets on there. At that point, go ahead and lock it back down. You are done. Now before we go ahead and put these last two pieces on, we're going to go ahead and turn it on and make sure everything's working perfectly. Alright, we're going to go ahead and check all the lights out real quick. Make sure everything's working. Turn signals on. Headlights are on. Everything is good. So at that point, you know everything's working just like it's supposed to. Go ahead and put your little cover back in. It really just clips into place. Alright, and the seal right here has a little teeny piece that kind of clips into place. So once you get that all clipped back in, that is change out your headlight assembly on your Porsche Cayenne. Hope that helps you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. 1159 videos out.